I'm Simesihle Kuzwayo from Nongoma at King Beguzulu High School. I was a grade 12 learner last year and I was one of the national top achievers this year. And ngikhulele kwi-family e-right with supportive parents. I grew up with my two big brothers and my twin sisters. Umama was an advocate for education. She always encouraged you should go and read a book each and every night. And ngikhule ngimbuka enza ama-degrees akhe thola ukuthi bezohlala ekamereni mhlawumbe afunde incwadi, and then I'd also be encouraged ukuthi nami ngivule yami incwadi ngifunde. Ngingathi in foundation phases bengumntwana alright. Inkinga yami, I'm not sure because I would skip my classes most of the time. I would not be at school for some periods, but I was a good child. My report time, I did get level 7, so which means I was intelligent, but I wasn't as smart as I am at this higher A grades or something like that. So in nje esikoleni beku right, because in grade 6 and 7 I was a high achiever at school, and in grade 8 up until grade 12 I was also a high achiever.
Ngiyabingelela uSimesihle ukhule nje umntwana oright othulayo, kodwa ubevamisa uba nambuzo eminingi ukuthi bengafuni bekhona into eyenzakalayo angakwazi ukuyenza, bengafuni kwehlula izinto. Khumbula nje kwa grade 1 wangihlekisa ethi uthole sabhala uana wathi uthole 20/20. Uthi kodwa manje angikwazi ukuthi nguthathe kuphi. Othisha bakhe ke bayebemthatha ngokuthi uhlakaniphile kakhulu.
So I believe ukuthi othisha babengifundisa, they played a very huge role, because you wouldn't reach where you are from if othisha bebengekho. You need teachers to teach you the basic content. You need teachers to be there to guide you on how you take certain past papers or how you do certain questions. So I believe they did a very good job by guiding me to get where I am.
Sanibonani, mina nguMrs. Thole from King Beguzulu High School kwaNongoma. Bengifundisa uSimesihle i-mathematics ngonyaka 2025. Simesihle Kuzwayo, national top learner. Ingane right kakhulu uSimesihle. Ingane nje owaziyo ukuthi mangabe uyinikeza umsebenzi uzothola wonke umsebenzi ubhaliwe umuhle unithi nje, noma ngabe yini omnikeza yona itask omnikeza yona uSimesihle uyayenza ayicomplete futhi a-excel kuyona. Into emnandi ngayo futhi uSimesihle ukuthi uthi ufika wena netopic uSimesihle usuke sevele seyifundile from grade 10. So
uqala unyaka odlule bengenayo confidence ukuthi I would do this well or have marks amakhulu ngale ndlela le. So I was just there, but I was taking my chances, studying a lot, because a lot of people had expectations of ukuthi yini into engayireacha, and into eyangenza ukuthi ngigcine senginayo confidence was after the results of term 1 ephumile, and then I saw ukuthi I am actually capable of doing this thing, and that's when I started getting confidence, even though there were difficulties in terms of pressure kanye nami ukuthi ngiyesaba ukuthi maybe I won't meet the expectations which people have.
Ngoba ngambuza semncane washo ukuthi uzoba udokotela. Ase ngithi ke mina umsebenzi njengomzali ukuthi ngimlekelele ukuze iphupho lakhe liphumelele, ngimlekelele ngize support mhlambe ngokwezincwadi nayo kwemali noma yini ayidinga esikoleni kuma project. Makunesidingo sokuthi ngimphelezele, ngangize ngimphelezele ngisho kwamanye ama competitions ngoba ngangibona ukuthi ngekho right ngokwesimo sempilo.
So bengenza mathematics, physical sciences, life sciences, agricultural sciences, economics, life orientation, English, first additional language, isiZulu home language, and life orientation, I think. Yeah.
So mina ka grade 10 nje nganginakho ukuthi mangibanikeza activity eclassini ngazi ukuthi uSimesihle mele benomsebenzi omningi ukuze njani angabhoreki, because lo basic engisuke ngiwenza nabase classini usuke vele yena ese ahead. Okay, uSimesihle ke unenhlanhla ngoba unothisha ababili be-mathematics ka grade 12 bekuyimina no Mr. Mathe. So mas analyze ama results akhe nje from unyaka uqala, hayibo ama marks akhe nje akaze kwenzeka aba below 90.
Into ngibonile ibinkinga kakhulu azi wa grade 12 ipressure bikhulu kakhulu kothisha. Othisha basuke bamnikeza ama expectations amakhulu mabembone phasa kahle ngothema 1 eba number 1 kwiZulu land district. Base ke bephutha ipressure nomunye ethi ufuna 100 nomunye ethi ufuna 100. Ngabona sekuze kumgulisa ngokuthi ngelinye ilanga wazolala esibhedlela ngiphatha kabuhlungu lokho, ngelinye ilanga wakhala uthi mama it's too much, ngikhathele angazi, I can't make it now. Ngathi mina baby girl awubambe kancane sekuseduze phambili.
So I'm going to give only an outline. I got 8 distinctions, which means every subject of mine was a distinction, with a 100% in life orientation and economics, and my lowest was 90%. So I won't share a specific salizizi. Yes. So I had my classmates are right. Most of them were good people. They would come to me and ask for help, and I'd also go and ask for help from them. Fellow top achievers in my class, mengingasabi ukuthi ngize kubo ngizobuza if I did not understand anything. And mawukuthi bengingekho class bakhona bebengithathela ama worksheet, especially mhlambe la bebehlala eduze kwami kwi-row eyodwa bebengiphathela ama worksheet if bengi absent esikoleni, and they were very supportive, most of them. One of my most difficult moments was getting sick during our winter classes. I had to skip a lot of classes, so I was behind in terms of content. And it was a difficulty for me because being umuntu ojwayele ukuthi abe ahead of teachers. So ukuba kwami esibhedlela means I cannot study as much as I would like to mangisesikoleni. So I fell behind in terms of content, and I had to try to catch up to my fellow classmates, which was a hard time in my academic career.
Ngilindele ukuthi uSmesihle uyakude kabi nempilo, because besides incwadi zakhe kunezinye izinto azenzayo eceleni efana no-expo ama-projects awenzayo. Umntwana nje ngembonayo ukuthi ngoba unale ambition anayo akaze ukugcine udokotela kuphela, she's going to do research as well, angazi ngani ke wangichazela nje ukuthi uzoba busy. So ngibona nje yonke into abeka isandla phe kwayo.
So people who did not achieve, it doesn't matter what happens right now. You can still try again and you might reach your goals. And you should look at other methods, like there are TVET colleges, there are training centers. You should look for backups as another way. If you can see that academics are not what you're made for, try to find another way. And if you want to ensure that you have a successful academic career, you should try as hard as you can and focus on your studies, but do not put pressure on yourself.
Ngathi ingane umzali angathatha ingane eqhathanise nezinye ingane, akayiyeke ingane ifunde ngesiphiwo sayo, angayibekeli imigomo ukuthi ngeke ngikwenzele ukuthi uma ungaphasanga kanje, akamiyeka afunde ngendlela yakhe. Okumsebenzi omzali ukuthi amsupport kuphela, angamfakeli ipressure, ngoba egcineni iyo le pressure yenza ingane igcine sezikhunga mayebone ngasakwazi ukuthola lokho umzali, nokuthi angamkhetheli ngisho umsebenzi azowenza ne-university angamkhetheli, ngoba nami ngeke ngafisa ukumkhethela kodwa ngabona egcineni ukuthi akuzi kungisebenzela ngoba uzolimala emoyeni.
So I want to be a cardiothoracic surgeon. I'm going to start by doing medicine at the University of Cape Town. So a cardiothoracic surgeon is a surgeon, an operator in systems which involve the heart and the chest.